Lithosphere.
Hello, I'm Kirana. Today we are going to talk about lithosphere.
The Earth is formed of 4 different spheres: atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and geosphere.
First, we need to know that geosphere consists of crust, mantle, and core.
What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid outer part of the Earth. It means ball of stone. Lithosphere includes the upper part of the mantle and the crust, the outermost layers of the Earth's structure. It is only a few kilometers thick below the middle of the oceans. There are 2 types of crust: continental crust and oceanic crust. Oceanic crust is the crust beneath the oceans. It is just 7 kilometers thick on average. Continental crust is the crust which forms the continents and the areas of shallow seabed close to their shores, known as continental shelves. It is created in the volcanic arcs above the subduction zone. These are the difference between continental and oceanic crust. Continental crust is older, thicker, and less dense. It is mostly made of granitic. Oceanic crust is younger, thinner, and denser. It is mostly made of basaltic. Continental drift theory. This theory was first suggested by Alfred Wegener. It is the slow movement of the continents around the world. About 220 million years ago, there is one supercontinent called Pangaea. Then it began to break up slowly to form the continents we know today. Tectonic plates. The lithosphere is broken up into 20 slabs called tectonic plates. The continents sit on top of the continental plates. The biggest tectonic plate is Pacific Plate. Tectonic plates are moving all the time by an average of 10 cm per year. Boundary plate is the edge that separates the tectonic plates with one another.
There are 3 types of boundary plates: convergent, transform, and divergent.
Convergent. Places where plates press into one another. If a plate goes inside the mantle, it can create a volcano and even sediments. Divergent. Places where plates move apart from one another. Transform. Places where plates move horizontally against each other. This can create a destructive earthquake. Why lithosphere is important? It is the area that the biosphere, the living things on Earth, inhabit and live upon. It provides all the necessary nutrients required for the growth of plants. Lithosphere also combines with the hydrosphere and the atmosphere to help in the growth of all living organisms. Lithosphere provides fuels and minerals. It also holds the water bodies. These are sources for the information.